health workers ema katero gigo cabinet ibedo approved immediately. Koro we have a lot of love for health workers. Governor ohero health in general, so we get almost anything that we want in health. But there are problems sometimes in Gishida which is beyond you. Tidwani debate jijoge tu ingani kawono and kamae and this is how we can solve things. Koro wakwayogi, we are still pleading with them. Let them look at things in a different way. One gi outbreak sani and angeni gingeo what means an outbreak is. When there's an outbreak, to all these patients mawa Ramogi or they will be crowded in another hospital, mano already straight away will start having hygiene problems. So it's a difficult time. We will still plead with them to listen. But I think from the government side, apparently watemondi ongegi ma pokwa team one the agreement katasani mar nigi doctors which is already signed. Nurses emakoro they will lay down their tools. Waboneno kaka kawuono body. We'll see if we can reallocate them, the ones mabodong, so that kikwabet gi wabo alleviate the severity of the symptoms mawango at this place. To ngat mo wacho ni okwachulga salaries. No wachuloga salaries always on time. To one gi agreement gi bank. Some salaries delay to bank gimiyoji pesa. This is the first time since devolution